Okay, going to start by looking at 2018 C1, and it is question 4. So fx is that expression there. So fx equals x cubed plus x squared plus px plus q. Has a factor x minus 3. So you remember you set that equal to 0 to get the x value. Sub that into f. So 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 3p plus q. Because it's a factor, the remainder is 0. So just tidying that up. 3p plus q. 27 add 9 is 36. Bring it over to our side, minus 36. So we've got two unknowns. So let me simultaneous equations. Looking back at the question, you're told when it's divided by x plus 1. So let's get the x value there. X is minus 1. So when you sub in minus 1, so minus 1 cubed, minus 1 squared, p times minus 1 plus q, you're told the remainder is minus 32. So tidying that up, minus p plus q equals minus 32, equation 2. Now, just putting those out side by side, equation 1 and equation 2. Minus p plus q equals minus 32. If I draw a line and subtract, I get rid of my q's. 3p plus p is 4p. Q's disappear. Minus 36, add 32 is minus 4. So p is minus 1. Sub that in, so we'll just go for equation 1. 3 times p, 3 times minus 1, plus q is minus 36. So q is minus 36, plus 3, q is minus 33. Now, that was part 1. Find the values of p and q. If I go down to part 2, hence solve the equation fx equals 0. So let me just write the equation out again. So fx equals x cubed plus x squared plus p. I now know that p is minus 1. So minus 1x plus q minus 33. So I want to know when that equals 0. Now you know that x minus 3 is a factor. So divide through by x minus 3 first of all. X into x cubed goes x squared times. Now times this by x squared. X squared times x squared times minus 3. Draw your line, subtract. They cancel off as they always should do. X squared minus minus becomes plus 3x squared, giving you 4x squared. Minus x take away nothing, and minus 33 take away nothing. X into this goes positive 4x times. Times this by positive 4x. So 4x squared minus 12x. Draw your line, subtract. Cancels off. Minus 1x plus 12x is 11x. Minus 33 take away nothing. X into 11x goes 11 times. Times this by 11. Draw your line, subtract. So fx is written as the divisor times the top line. Now, this question wanted when fx equals 0. So put the first bracket equal to 0 and solve. And put the second bracket equal to 0. Now, to see if you're going through the whole quadratic formula here, you can just try the discriminant to see if it works out. B squared minus 4 times a times c. That is going to give me a negative number, so no solution. So the only answer is x equals 3.